Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is transparent. It's pronounced transparent, and it's spelt Transparent. Think trans and then parent. Transparent describes something see-through. For example, windows are transparent as they allow you to see out of them. The word transparent comes from the medieval Latin word transparere, which means to show light through. It is the shining of light through a transparent surface which allows us to see through it. An object that is transparent can be seen through. What is on the other side of the object can be seen through the object itself. The image you can see through a transparent object is similar to the image you can see without the transparent object there. For example, if you fill a glass with milk, you can see the milk through the glass. If only some light can be seen through an object, but some of the detail of the image is lost, it is translucent instead of transparent. Light passes through a translucent object, but you cannot see the objects behind it fully. Transparent describes an item or material. For example, clean water is transparent as you can see through it. If you are swimming, you can still see yourself under the water. Transparent can be turned into transparency to make it a noun, meaning the condition of being transparent. For example, the transparency of the ice allowed us to see fish swimming beneath the surface. Transparent is defined in the dictionary as a material or article allowing light to pass through so that objects behind can be distinctly seen. Transparent synonyms include see-through, clear, or unclouded. Antonyms include opaque, non-transparent, blurred, smeared, and hazy. See if you can find something transparent around you now. Any luck? If there's a window, water, a glass, or even someone's glasses nearby, then well done. That's transparent. Try and impress a family member today by using the word transparent to describe something. Have a top day, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.